Welcome back to the channel, friends. We are back at Costco with another great video. Freezing out here in Boston, almost like Antarctica, but that's okay. It's Monday, January 6th. Happy New Year. Let's get into the video because we have the flash deals for the week. And first up, from Hotel Signature, we have their Egyptian cotton 400 thread count bed sheets. Now this does come in a 6-piece sheet set here. We are getting a fantastic discount. Now this is made from Egyptian cotton, wrinkle resistant, and is also machine washable. Here at the warehouse, we have the queen size and we also have the king size available as well. They're taking $10 off for each, $39.99 for the king, $29.99 for the queen. If you have Instagram, head over to Instagram, follow us at Watch the Deal Finder, because every month at the end of the month, we're going to be doing a giveaway. Here are some items I did pick up. Our first giveaway for the month of January is going to be a free Costco membership. You don't want to miss out on this. We have very few followers as it is, so your chances of winning are very good. This is my way of saying thank you. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching my videos. I do appreciate it. Happy New Year to everyone, and back to the video. And now from Benko, we are looking at their glass salad containers. Now these do come in a 2-pack here at Costco. These do not retain odors. They're dishwasher safe. They have that food safe silicone, which I love, leak proof, and they have the secure locking clips, as you can see here in the video. Now what I don't like about it, the mix match colors, I do not like that at all. But unfortunately, what you see is what we get. $4 off the price, bringing it down to $20.99. And now from DPS, we have their 60-inch gaming desk right in front of us. These have some decent reviews online, nothing to be bragging about, but it is made out of a composite wood. On top, we can see right there, it has that carbon fiber pattern. That's a PVC laminate. Let's have a nice closer look at it. It does look pretty decent. It's a nice looking desk. The sides of it has a nice steel base to it, has LED lights. You can control it via remote control, which is pretty cool. That cup holder has an accessory hook where you can hang your headphones, and where you can really get a nice close-up look of that carbon fiber pattern. They're taking $50 off the price for us, bringing it down to $149.99. And our next deal from Kohler, this is from Costco's new coupon book, the January Savings. If you haven't watched that video, make sure to wait to the end of this video to watch it. You do not want to miss that video. We have some fantastic discounts there that you don't want to miss. All those deals are valid to January 20th. We are looking at the Kohler Pro Function kitchen sink kit here. Now, if you are remodeling your home, this is the sink you want. It's a fantastic price, decent reviews online. You get everything you see here, $80 off the price, bringing it down to $299.99. And let's not forget about the extended Delsey Paris deal right in front of us. We have their accelerated 2-piece hard-side luggage set. Now this deal is valid till the 19th. These are durable, lightweight, scratch-resistant, 100% poly shell. Now this is a fantastic price. They're taking $40 off the price tag, bringing it down to $139.99. So last Friday, I did put out a video showing you what's new here at the warehouse, Costco's new arrivals. So many great new furniture pieces. Right in front of us, we have the Bayside infrared electric fireplace. Now this fireplace has some fantastic reviews at Costco.com. 1500 watts, 5200 BTUs. It plugs right into a standard 120 volts, has 3 different unique flame colors, flame effects, and it has a 3-sided window, so that way you can see it from all different angles. $20 off the price tag, bringing it down to $79.99. And just very quickly for the men's, Costco has brought in the Skechers. Now these are the Arch Comforts. We have 2 different color variants here. We have the all black and we have the gray available as well. Now these are very comfortable. They're not the greatest looking sneaker, but they are super comfortable with that arch control. They're taking $5 off the price tag, bringing it down to $29.99. And now for the ladies, we have a wonderful deal for you as well. An incredible deal. Actually, we have the Skechers Light Foams right in front of us. And same thing, incredible sneakers, very comfortable, super supportive, but they're just not the greatest looking. But these are not too bad in my opinion. Fantastic price as well. They're taking $8 off the price tag, bringing it down to $26.99. This deal is valid to January 14th. So straight down this aisle, we have the Lasco heater. Let's go have a look at that. We have their Motion X. This is their whole room heater here. Now it does include a remote control, has a nice widespread oscillation. Also the grill oscillates as well, which is pretty cool. So you get two different types of oscillation, has electronic controls, 3 different heat settings, a 12-hour timer, and an automatic thermostat here. And I love the fact that it comes with a remote control, $15 off the price tag, bringing it down to $54.99. We also have another great heat option from Vornado. Now this heater does have 2 different heat settings, 1500 or 750 watts, either or. Also, you can just use it as a fan only, which is pretty cool. Automatic climate control, 12-hour auto off timer, and it does have a remote control as well. $20 off the price tag, bringing it down to $49.99. Another great deal from Costco's coupon book, the January savings. We have the Swiffer Sweeper. We are looking at their heavy-duty dry sweeping cloths. Now, these do come in a 50-pack. They're 10 inches by 7 inches. We do get a 50-pack in total, like I mentioned. Also, to my right, we have their heavy-duty dusters available as well. Now, these come in a 17-pack, and they have 1 handle included, which is very nice. They're multi-surface, double-sided dusters here. $4 off the price, bringing it down to $13.99. And for the dry cloths, also $4 off. They're bringing that down to $13.99 as well. With spring cleaning just around the corner, Costco has brought back the 3-step folding step stool ladder. Now this does have a weight capacity. It's very lightweight, very useful product. The top step is very large. It's a large lock-in platform step. It's kind of double the size of the steps. I love this product. It's slip resistant, has a steel frame with aluminum steps, has a 250-pound weight capacity. I'm sure you can exceed that by a lot. $6 off the price, bringing it down to $23.99. And now from Kingsmith, we have their walk-in pad right in front of me. Now, we do have some fantastic new arrivals here at the warehouse. This is one of them. I did show it in my video the other day. If you haven't seen my Costco new arrival video, I'll leave a link at the end of this video so you can watch it. What I love about this walk-in pad, it's nice and wide, 18 inches in width, very nice. What I didn't like about it was the reviews on Costco.com. So I don't want to talk badly about this company, but what I do want you to do is head over to Costco.com, read the reviews, and then let me know your thoughts in the comments. And next up from Mission, we are looking at their low carb wraps. These are only 70 calories per serving. We do get a total of 16 wraps per package. Now these are great if you're following a low carb diet or maybe a keto diet. Now this is the family pack. We're looking at 70 calories per wrap. They say 2 net grams of carbs. A lot of people get confused when it says that. Now what you want to do is you want to grab the 19 carbs, you deduct the fiber from it because fiber does not count as carbs, and you're left over with 2 grams of carbs. $150 off the price, bringing it down to $5.49. We also have the organic Aussie Bites back on sale. Now these do pack a punch. They're also high in calories. It has the flaxseed, the sunflower, the quinoa, and the chia seeds. 270 milligrams of omega-3, 2 grams of fiber. It does have 130 calories for one piece. So one of those little pieces are 130 calories. If you eat 3, that's 390. Pretty much the same caloric content as a donut. So you got to be careful when you're eating these. They're delicious. $230 off the price, bringing it down to $8.99. We also have the chocolate croissants from La Boulangerie. I believe that means the bakery in French. This is a product of France. We get a total of 16 chocolate croissants per bag here. They look delicious. If you tried this before, let us know in the comments section. Is it amazing? 180 calories per serving, 21 grams of carbs, and 3 grams of protein. The packaging does make your mouth water. I do like it. Now let's have a look at the price. They're giving us a pretty good discount here, $180 off of it, bringing the price down to $6.89. And the cold weather is definitely here because it was cold out here in Boston today. From Clam Shack, we have the New England clam chowder, gluten-free. So we do get 2 nice sized containers. All you got to do is heat it up and serve it. Each container is 24 ounces, so we do get a total of 48 ounces of clam chowder. 1 cup is 310 calories, 18 grams of carbs, and 8 grams of protein. Looks delicious. Now, they are giving us a pretty good discount here. They're taking $3.60 off the price, bringing it down to $9.39. And if you're not a fan of clam chowder, no worries. You can pick up the Panera broccoli cheddar soup. Same thing. All you got to do is heat it up and serve it. It's delicious. 1 cup is 240 calories, 17 carbs, 9 grams of protein. And the same thing, we get 2 nice sized container. Each cup is 24 ounces, so you do get a total of 48 ounces of broccoli cheddar soup. They're taking $2.50 off the price, bringing it down to $7.49. We also have the chicken pot pie soup. Now, this is from Costco's coupon book, the January savings. Same thing. All you got to do is heat it up and serve it. This deal is valid to January 20th. You get 2 nice size containers. Each container is 24 ounces. Each cup of soup is 200 calories, 21 grams of carbs, and 10 grams of protein. Looks amazing as well. Now, they are taking $3.60 off the price, bringing it down to $9.89. And next up, we have the Indonesian style, the mee goreng, the fried noodles. Now, this is from a company called Indomie. They're instant noodles, similar to a ramen package. Now, what you want to do is open the package out, take out the garlic chili sauce, get that going, get the noodles going, and then mix everything together. You got the green onion, the scallions, and put a nice fried egg on top. 400 calories per serving, 52 carbs, 8 grams of protein. They're taking $4 off the price for us, bringing it down to $13.99. And we do get 40 packs per box. And just up ahead, just around the corner, we have the Poland Spring Water on sale. Now, these are almost 24 ounces. They call it 700 ml. You do get 24 ounce bottles here. They have the sport caps on top of them, which is nice. A lot of people love them. Now, they're giving us a pretty good discount here. You get a total of 24 bottles that are almost 24 ounces here. It's like 23 point something. What is it? 23.7, excuse me. So taking $160 off the price, bringing it down to $6.79. So we do have a few more items to get through. Don't click off yet. We have about 10 more items to get through. If you are enjoying today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Follow us over on Instagram, watch the Deal Finder, and hit that thumbs up button if you are enjoying today's content. And next up, for our green tea lovers, we have the Japanese green tea here. Now, this is unsweetened green tea. We get a total of 12 bottles. Each bottle is 16.9 ounces. It does have that nice non-GMO logo on it, which I love. They're giving us a pretty good discount, $4 off the price, bringing it down to $12.99. Bringing back some childhood memories now from Kellogg's. We have the Raisin brand. We get 2 nice large size bags of it. Very high in fiber, has 190 calories per serving. But let's have a look at the back of it. So 190 calories for 1 cup, 47 grams of carbs, has 9 grams of added sugar, 5 grams of protein. They're giving us $2 off the price, bringing it down to $7.99. Also from Kellogg's, we have their Special K. You get 2 large bags of this as well, the red berries. Now, this is crunchy wheat cereal with rice flakes and real strawberries. 2 large bags, like I mentioned, 140 calories per cup. Let's have a look at those carbs. Let me scroll right in. This does have 34 grams of carbs, 10 grams of added sugar, 3 grams of protein. They're giving us $2.50 off the price, bringing it down to $7.49. A new arrival here at the warehouse, we have the new Bear Granola, the apple cinnamon. Now, this is made with real pieces of apple in it. No artificial flavors, an excellent source of fiber because it does have 7 grams of fiber. But let's have a look at those macros. 240 calories for 3/4 of a cup, 46 carbs, 10 grams of added sugar, and 5 grams of protein. We do get a nice size bag here, so it's 34 ounces in total, $2 off the price, bringing it down to $7.99. Here's something a lot more healthier with no sugar and no carbs. We have the Bumblebee. Now, this is their solid white albacore tuna in water, 37 grams of protein per serving, 8 cans total in the box. Each can is 7 ounces. Now, this does have 170 calories per serving, no carbs, no sugar, just plain old 37 grams of protein. They're giving us $3.80 off the price, bringing it down to $13.09. And now from Puma, we have the men's boxer briefs. Now, these do come in a 5-pack. They're multicolored packs. The boxer briefs, they have no tags on them, no flies. They have that comfort waistband. They have a lot of great reviews on Costco.com. So make sure you check it out there too. A lot of great reviews. They're taking $4 off the price tag for us, bringing it down to $11.49. They have sizes small through up to XL. So I'm not too sure if you can see it from here, but the Oreo cookies are on sale. Let's go have a look at that. So this box has a total of 60 packs in it. So each pack has 2 cookies. They're giving us 30 packs of Oreo, 10 packs of the golden Oreo, and 20 packs of the double stuffed Oreos. They all pretty much have the same macros. We don't need to have a look at this. Pretty much the same macros of all Oreos. Now they are giving us a good discount though. They're taking $3 off the price, bringing it down to $11.89. So much sugar in today's video, but we can lower that. We have the berberine right in front of us. Now the berberine does help lower your glucose level. It may help with cholesterol. Now I've bought this before, but it gave me tremendous anxiety, so I'm not too sure how I feel about this product. You do get a 120 count here, $7 off the price, bringing it down to $26.99. This is a must-have in my household with cold and flu season. This is great to pick up. We have the Braun, the 3-in-1 thermometer. This is also great if you have little ones at home as well. Now, this works with everyone. I do like it a lot. Age, precision, they have it. So this has pretty good reviews as well. $10 off the price, $29.99. And now from Kirkland's Signature, we have their Triple Action Joint Health. Now this is great for your joints, your cartilage, and your bone. Helps maintain your cartilage with supporting your joint mobility, your flexibility, and your comfort. It's only one little tiny pill a day, similar to another product we can see here on my left. $4.50 off the price, bringing it down to $18.49. We also have one a day for the men's and the women's. Both of them are on sale here at Costco. Now you do get 300 tablets per bottle, so basically it covers you almost an entire year. I'm not too sure why didn't they just make it 365 tablets, but one a day for the men and for the women, 50 plus. So both of them are for the 50 plus. They're a complete multivitamin. $4 off the price, $16.59 for either the men or the ladies. We also have the Children's Claritin available. Now these do come in a 2-pack. Each pack is a 40 count. Now these are the chewables. They have 5 milligrams of antihistamine, a 24-hour relief here, non-drowsy. They're taking $7 off the price for us, bringing it down to $27.99. We do get a total of 80 tablets per entire box. Hang tight, friends. We're almost done with the video. Just a few more items to get through. Don't forget, at the end of the video, I am going to leave links to other videos you can watch. Right in front of us from Pediasure, we have the Kids Vanilla Shake here. Now, this does have 27 vitamins and minerals, 7 grams of protein, 3 grams of prebiotics, no artificial flavors, non-GMO, and has 20% more vitamin D in it. They're taking $8.50 off the price, bringing it down to $31.49. We do get 24 bottles per box. Here we have another one from Costco's coupon book, the January savings from First Alert. We're looking at their heavy-duty fire extinguisher. Now, this is great for your home or commercial use. It does exceed NFPA standards here. It's rechargeable as well. They're taking $10 off the price, bringing it down to $29.99. But keep in mind, we also have the smokes available and the combination units too. So if you need smoke detectors, they have those too. And let's not forget about the Charmin tucked way in the back over here. Now, this is from Costco's coupon book as well. This is their Ultra Soft. We get 30 rolls per package here. Very soft. These are the wider sheets. Very popular product here at the warehouse. They already sold through 1 or 2 pallets. I have to scroll way up top to have a look at it. They're taking $6 off the price, bringing it down to $23.99. All right, friends, I guess I'm going to end the video here. Hopefully you did enjoy today's video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget about the diapers. The diapers are also on sale. They're taking $10.50 off a box. So if you do need diapers, this is the time to pick it up. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Tomorrow I am going to put out a new Amazon video, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you watch that video as well. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. I love you, friends. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.